This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today's pillow paint is Glitton Essentials in Eggshell, and the pouring medium is Vaspar Ultra and Varathane Polyurethane Triple Thick at a 3:1 ratio. Our paints are listed here. You'll notice that I'm actually going to be painting on the smaller hour in the middle. And our Cell Activators are Black Umber and Titanium White. Putting down the pillow paint now. All of my paints are also listed down in the description below. First paint is Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, and that's a golden product. Our next color is Bonfire. That's a ColorArte Prizm color. Amazing shimmer with this paint. And I have a link down below. Next is Apple Cider, and that's ColorArte Prizm. Please, if you have any interest at all, that is available on the ColorArte website. Amazing stuff. Next is Aztec Gold, and this is a Arteza color. And I was looking for a deeper color, and I had that on my shelf, and I hadn't used it, and it worked beautifully. So I'm not going to shy away from using my Arteza products as much as I was. It's amazing stuff. I'm just adding a little bit of extra there. Okay, our next paint up is Ore. That's a pigment, and it's from TLP. You can get that at the fluid-art.co. And next is Allen's Red Shimmer. That's a Pourage Posse paint, and also I have a link there in the below. Next is Emerald by TLP. Last is Ball Gown, and it's also a TLP. This is an interference color that shifts color to gold, although it looks white here. Okay, our first cell activator is Titanium White, and that's Amsterdam. Our second cell activator is Black Umber, and that's by Josania. Both are mixed 3:1 with Australian Floetrol. Blowing it out now. You're going to see that this really reacted very well and started selling up almost immediately. If you have any questions, I'd invite you to drop them down in the comments section below. I'd be happy to talk about anything if you've questions about my process. I also have a series of DIY videos that cover subjects. In part one, the first one is my pouring mediums. I cover how I mix two of my pouring mediums there and what to look for in products to get the product that you need. Second, I have my part two is how I mix my paints, how I mix my pigments, and the differences between tube paints and high flow paints. And part three covers cell activators, how I mix my cell activators, the consistencies of cell activators, and what to look for. So check them out and see if they would help you. And I'll look forward to hearing your feedback on that. I think I'm getting just about ready to spin now. Decided I need to cover my ears up a little bit. It's hard to see them at this point because it looks like a mess of paint. Do a little bit more spinning, get some more paint off of the piece. And because this is such a small piece and I put so little paint down, it was pretty much ready as soon as I finished spinning the first time. As it slows down here, I think we're getting pretty darn close to the end. I'll take you down for a flyover in just a second. Let you see what the details of this little guy is. And now for the flyover. I really do like the black cells I got down at the bottom. If you found this video today useful, I'd invite you to give me a thumbs up or a like. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for future notifications of videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put at least 2 out per week. So I hope to see you next time. Thanks for coming by. Bye now.